I found a neat way to organize my spools and bobbins so that they never become separated. And I use a straw, and it just never comes off unless I want it to. And the reason this works, by the way, is because Class 15 plastic bobbins are standard across most major brands, and these have a hole opening of about just a little less than a 1/4 inch. And the straws that are commonly sold are 0.25 inch, so that this just fits snugly onto there, and it just never comes off. So what I did was I took a straw, 0.25 inches, I cut it about 1 inch higher than the spool, and I wrapped it with some tape, just common tape, so that it holds inside the spool and never comes out. Then the bobbin goes on, and it's a neat storage system. I placed the straw over the spindle on the sewing machine, and it just holds. And I'll pull it just to show you how well it works.